let's go now. We're almost done, and after this, I'm gonna show you a tour of my house. Okay. Pew 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 pew. Pew pew pew. After the chores, I have my mom. Yo, it's almost done. I'm almost. Before ako magtipid hanger, kay ibabawal ko ano ikaw. Another one. Jesus, sorry. Ma, meron din po relax. Ma, kung kapag si video, ay ihatag ko yung enter of my house. Ooh, it's almost done.